Hi, I'm Sandy Green, and this is my video on barriers to the web. The digital divide. What will it take to digitally connect our nation for 21st century living? Well, first of all, I think it will take funding from the local, state, and national government. Um, I believe it will take innovation of less costly fiber optics and installation. It will take schools and communities banding together to create solutions to meet their digital delivery needs, creating 21st century living opportunities. Graduation preparation for digital age era. The high school graduate students will need to be equipped with the following skills for 21st century learning. STEAM, which is for science, technology, engineering, arts, and math. Collaboration, creativity, innovation thinking, critical thinking, problem solving, global connection and communication skills, and working knowledge of smart machines, robotics, computers, automated intelligence, and virtual reality apps. All of these, all of these will help students gain skills to live in the 21st century. The global economy, my personal use of internet experience. I do live in Colorado Springs, and it is home of NORAD, which is the North American Aerospace Defense Command. Because NORAD is the highest, most sophisticated level of defense for our nation, Colorado Springs must be equipped with the most advanced internet broadband service available. For this reason, I have several choices of broadband internet providers to choose from. However, the cost of internet service is expensive. I believe most people, including myself, take advantage of choosing different internet providers, and they shop around for the best deal that fits their budget and their needs. Technology training I need to improve my instruction. I'm a band teacher and orchestra teacher, and one of the technology tools that I think would be helpful for band orchestra students is it's called a silent practice app, where they can connect their instrument to an apparatus and they can practice without other people hearing them play. So they could play in a room and nobody else would hear them because they're connected to that silent practice app. Another cool feature would be smart music assessment apps for students to record a short play test at home and send to my email, and that will take it allows less time in class for individual assessments, so we can do more things in class. Web page and blog page designs for better communication to students and parents regarding the band and orchestra program. So that's just something I need to teach myself, familiarize myself with, is how to make a web page and a blog page. And I believe that students and parents would have the opportunity to be informed better by those options. 21st century technology in my school district. Colorado Springs School District 11 has placed a high priority on providing technology tools and resources in our schools. Some schools are more advantageous than others, depending on their size, need, and budget of each individual school. The following are provided equipment or resources available in each school. All schools are equipped with computers. Teachers get personal computers, and itinerant teachers get laptops. Students can use iPads, but they are there's only like 30 for the primary level and 30 for the intermediate level, and so they're housed in a cart, a traveling cart. Digital projectors, all classrooms are equipped with digital projectors. Promethean boards, all classrooms are, in most schools, most classrooms have Promethean boards. Computer labs, all schools in my district have computer labs. High-speed internet is provided with my school district. And my school district does offer technology training for teachers. Advantages to innovation education. Implementation of STEM and STEAM support, I think, innovate, have innovative education. It innovates, provides innovation education by fostering critical thinking and problem-solving skills, creativity and innovation thinking, self-awareness and confidence building, collaboration and communication skills, and an overall increased engagement. Disadvantages of innovation in education. Many school communities may lack funding to receive internet broadband service, making innovation education challenging to deliver students needing to learn these necessary 21st century life skills. Student inappropriate internet use. Due to the nature of my instructional subject, which is instrumental music, my instruction does not allow much in the way of classroom internet use among students. However, I do believe utilizing the following methods will improve or deter inappropriate internet use or cyberbullying. Educating students on do's and don'ts of the internet. Educate students on safe internet use. Set school-wide rules of using the internet. Monitor internet usage. Report any inappropriate internet use or cyberbullying. And so that kind of wraps up my video on barriers of the web, and I appreciate you watching my video. Thank you and have a great day.